what I do with my class time? Well, I simply use it better because now I can do some practical case studies where I can deliver my experience, and the students can benefit from both my teaching experience because I'm choosing some typical cases where I know the students used to fail, and also from my practical programming experience because I can give advice and I answer questions and we can go more in depth. So how I organize my class time is now I'm doing some case study, some practical case study where I answer the questions of the students and where I can help them to build the solutions, and where they can benefit from my experience, both my teaching experience, because I carefully choose the case I present to them by choosing some cases where I know the students often fail, and also my programming experience, because I help them building some solutions and giving some programming advice. And then the rest of the class is exactly the same regarding the practice, but of course they first have to watch the lecture home. So the way a learning week is organized now is it starts from here. The students first have to watch the video home, then they come to the auditorium to do a interactive case study with me, and then the rest is as it used to be. They go to the programming classrooms with the assistants and myself also to do some exercises, and then they continue their exercise home. What I should emphasize also is that the students have access to quizzes, in-video quizzes and outside video quizzes, so that they can check the way they acquire the learning material they should know. Why did I keep in-class lectures? There are three main reasons why I decided to keep some in-class contact and in-auditorium lecturing somehow, and case studies more precisely. The first reason is because the targeted audience through the MOOC, which is more open than only the EPFL students, is a bit wider. So we decided to go a bit further with our own students in the class. The second reason is that the students, and especially first-year students, which arrived at EPFL, they really ask for a class in the fellowship sense. They really need to the social aspect of learning. And furthermore, I learned from former experience that the students, to really learn, they need somehow a framework, quite strong framework actually for first-year students. So I really want them to meet me every week in a more formal way, so that they have a strong framework which structure their learning. Well, I'm not so sure I understand the question. What they have to do during class time is listen. Well, it's a bit more interactive, of course. They have to come with questions. I ask them to come with questions, ask questions, and to interact about the things I'm telling them about the case study. And sometimes I'm introducing willingly some errors to test the reaction and to see if they react. But I didn't really design some activities for them. They have a lot to do by themselves in the quizzes, in the exercise session. So there is nothing really where they have actually to participate in. I mean, to do some practice in the class. For the at-home online part, what they have to do, what was newly designed, are the quizzes. So this was really a new part, and they have to answer the quizzes home.